Hello kids, I'm back with today's session. I'm your teacher Ankita, and today I'm going to check how much you know about your house. How much you know about the things present in your house. Before we proceed, let me remind you certain things. Today's date is 4th June 2020. Today's date is 4th June 2020. Today's date is Thursday. Today's date is Thursday. Today I'm going to teach you, whatever I'm going to teach you is from your book Integrated Activity Book. Integrated Activity Book. The activities that I have given you is not from your book, but it is based on whatever available in your book. It is based on whatever available in your book. It is not from your book. Okay? And our topic, as I have already told you, our topic is know more about things in house. See this? See this picture? This picture is of a house. This is a small house that I have made for you. So the first thing that you need to do is to draw this house and color it. Draw a house and color it. Draw a house using different shapes. Draw a house using different shapes and color it. Here, see, I have used different shapes. You can recognize it. One rectangle, two rectangle. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. Then one triangle, two triangle, three triangle. Here one more rectangular structure. Here 4 rectangles, 5 rectangles here, 5 rectangles here. Then I have drawn various semicircles. I have drawn semicircle, or you can say half circle. You can recognize it. I have drawn half circle. So the first thing that you need to do is draw a beautiful house and color it. Draw a beautiful house using various shapes and color it. Okay? Now comes our activity. Why I have shown you this house? You people, it has been more than about 3 months, I can say, because your exams were going on and you were already there at home. It's around 3 months that you are all are at home quarantined, and you are not supposed to move outside the house, even to play. Not even for playing you go outside the house. So you must have seen various things in your house. You must have seen various things in your house. You must have recognized those things, and sometimes you must have asked your parents about that what is this and what is that. Now I am going to check whether you know or or you don't know about various things present in the house. What you have to do is, I have drawn the pictures that you have to draw in your copies. What you have to do is draw and color the picture and write the initial letter of the picture in the space provided. You don't have to write the whole word. You just have to write the initial letter of the picture. You have to write the initial letter of the picture in the space provided. Okay, let's see the pictures. Let's see the pictures one by one. Yes, I am also going to tell you about the pictures. I haven't colored it. You all need to color it, but you all need to color it. Okay, now see the first picture. This is a spoon. What is this? This is a spoon. Can you recognize it? It is a spoon. So you have to write S over here. You have to write S over here. You just have to write the initial letter of the picture. You just have to write the initial letter of the picture. Now the second picture is, can you recognize it? Yes, the second picture is door. Here you can write D. Second picture is door, D. Like this, you have to write the initial letters of the pictures. Okay, but before that you have to draw the picture and color the picture, and then after write the initial letter of the picture. Now the third picture, you can recognize it easily. It is a glass. G for glass. G for glass. Then this is a vase. Vase, or you can say flower pot. The flower pot in which the flowers are kept on the table, near the TV, in the drawing room. It is called vase. It is called, sorry, not vase, it is called vase. It is called vase. V for vase. The fifth picture is of, can you recognize this? Yes, it is a fan. It is a fan. F for fan. Then this is, what is this? Can you recognize this? Yes, it is a curtain. C for curtain. C for curtain. Now this one, it is a bottle. B for bottle. B for bottle. This is clock. This is clock. C for clock. C for clock. Then comes this. Can you recognize this picture? In every room, whether it is living room, dining room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, everywhere where you will find this in your room. Can you recognize this? Yes, it is the switchboard. It is the switchboard. It is the switchboard. Now this picture. Can you recognize this picture? These patterns you can see in which thing? Just now you all are studying from that device. You all are studying from that device. Yes, it is the picture of a mobile phone. It is a picture of a mobile phone. M for mobile phone. This you can easily recognize. Even a small child can recognize this pic. This pic is of a comb. This is of a comb. C for comb. C for comb. This one, T for table. T for table. T for table. This one, C for chair. C for chair. This one is C for chair. And this one, nowadays a flat screen comes, and most probably there are flat screens present in your houses, but can you recognize this? Can anybody recognize this? Yes, very good. This is a television. This is a television. T for television. T for television. Let me revise it once again. First one, spoon. Second one, door. Third one, G for glass. V for vase. F for fan. C for curtain. B for bottle. C for clock. S for switchboard. M for mobile phone. C for comb. T for table. C for chair. And T for television. Now this is your worksheet. I will send it in the form of picture also. In the form of picture also I will send it. This you have to do in your copies. This you have to do in your copies. And be ready for many more videos to come. Hope you understand the things nicely. If you have any problem, then you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today. Thank you.